Welcome back, viewers. So today we will be testing the Detrended price oscillator. But before we do, if you have not watched my first video and the videos after that, you need to go do that right now. Here at the Academy of Forex, we are building the best trading system possible as a team, and as a team, we will all profit from it when we are done. You can find a link to the first video down in the description below. You can also find a link to our Discord server, so that way we can all discuss testing indicators and building our trading system. And lastly, you can find a link below to TradingView. If you sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money using the link below. But before we get into testing today's indicator, I wanted to put up the indicator scoreboard. So to date, we have tested 28 indicators. 8 of them have been winners, which means that they have met or exceeded the 60% threshold, one of them being an 85% winner, which is a great win-loss ratio for a single indicator to achieve. So, as we are working on building our trading system, you could easily take any one of those 8 indicators and jump in the market and start making money with them now. So go back and watch those videos, make a list of those 8 indicators, and jump out there and see what you can do with them. But stick with us here as we work on maximizing your profits. All right, as I said, we are testing the Detrended price oscillator. And so it is a line oscillator with a zero line, so it is going to be a zero line cross indicator. We of course are on a random pair, and we have the take profit and stop loss designated by the ATR, which has been explained in other videos. So what we are going to do is pretty simple. When the price crosses below the zero line, which I think I'll change the color of the zero line. Let's change it to orange. No. Maybe purple. No. Let's do red and bump it up just a little bit. So when the oscillator line crosses down below the zero line, that is a sell signal. When it crosses up above the zero line, that is a buy signal. Pretty simple. And that is how we are going to test it today. So let's get on with the testing process here and see what it can achieve. All right, that's a pretty good move right there. Definitely got the win on that one. Our first signal. It took off pretty good. Not too bad. Looking good so far. Let's see what else we can get out of the Detrended price oscillator. It doesn't seem to move extremely fast, which is a good thing. The indicators that move super quick and are super jerky tend to whipsaw you in and out of trades and results typically in a lot of losses. So fortunately, it does look like we took a loss on that one because it dropped down, giving us a sell signal. Dropped right, I'm sorry, turned around, shot right back up, giving us a buy signal, and then unfortunately turned right back around, giving us another sell signal. Let's see where we would have ended up here. Not too bad. It took a minute for it to fall, and I don't think we would have gotten stopped out here. No, we would not have. So that would have ultimately been a winning trade. All right. So we're about 50-50. Not too bad. definitely some room to work with here. It's not over trading, giving some reasonably decent signals here. I like the way it is catching the trends rather nicely. All in all, it's looking pretty decent. Not too bad at all. It's funny, once you have tested enough indicators, you can kind of start to spot the ones that are going to be problematic pretty quickly. And you can spot the ones that are very likely going to be decent indicators rather quickly as well. This oscillator is doing a pretty fine little job here. It does have its little quirks where it pops up for a second and then drops back down. But of course, no indicator is going to be perfect, as we know. It just needs to be good enough the majority of the time. We're getting close to the end of the year now. Hopefully it doesn't have too many bad trades here on this little run. There's definitely a few, but it still seems to be holding its own. Alright, that is the end of the year there. Let's see what we got out of this. Like I said, it doesn't look too bad. I can already tell. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So we got 20 trades. That is a reasonable amount of trades. No, it's not really over trading, not really under trading. And so we need what? 12? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it edged in the 60% there, give or take a trade or two, but it definitely met the 60% criteria. As I said, it seems to be catching these trends really reasonably. Maybe could be a little bit sooner. I wish it didn't chop us out on a few of these. If we could smooth that out a little bit more, that would be ideal to keep these whipsaws from happening, because that seemed to be the majority of our losses. So we took 2 right there from a little zigzag whipsaw and 2 right there from a little zigzag whipsaw, which only left 3. So yeah, if we could have smoothed that out a little bit, but all in all, not a bad little indicator. Again, another winning indicator. It exceeds the 60%. This is another one of those indicators you could jump out into the market with and start trading if you had a reasonable stop or a reasonable exit indicator that you could apply to this and let a few of these trades run, then you would easily be profitable with this indicator. So it's going to go on the yes list. Hopefully it can help to increase our profits once we start piecing together the overall trading system. But yeah, so far so good. If you have not already, like this video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the bell notification so that way you are notified anytime I post a new video. As part of the team, it's important that you are seeing the new videos as they come out so you know what it is that we are discussing and what indicators we are testing, have tested, and have not tested. Also, like usual, there is a link below in the description to the Discord server. You can join us on Discord so that way we can further discuss the indicators and have discussions as we move forward building our trading system. And lastly, like usual, there is a link below to TradingView. If you like what you see whenever I use TradingView and you are interested in signing up for TradingView, if you use the link below and sign up for a paid account, you will save a little bit of money. So, alright everybody, I will see you on the next video.